Using pixel art, or if you're looking at the winter folder, the green spreadsheets that are in here are pixel art. So let me show you how you're going to use those. First, you're going to look for um, the pixel art activities, and you have the green spreadsheets. If you see two of them that are the same, one is going to be the teacher master copy, and the other one's going to be the one that you're going to use for students. If you do not see a student or teacher listed after it, then that means that it's only a student copy. So let's take a look at the teacher copy. The teacher copy is going to have the answers and it's going to show you what the pixel art is going to look like when it's done. This one you're going to leave alone. If you want to make your own copy of this so that you can have, because you know you're going to use it later, then you're going to go to File and you're going to make a copy. And then that one's going to appear in your Google Drive. The student copy is the one that you're going to send out to students in Google Classroom and make sure that you use the make a copy for every student choice when you're assigning it. So what they're going to do is as they are typing in the answer here, it is slowly going to appear over on the right-hand side to match the answer that was on the, um, the teacher copy. If you want to give any other directions, usually there are some directions at the top. They're probably just taking a little while to load here. You can edit this and change the directions. What you don't want to do is you don't want to edit any of the questions or um, any of the answers within here because they're tied to the code unless you're used to using Google Sheets and coding. All right, so that is using the pixel art in here.